Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am stoked you're here. Take a quick second to thank all the channel members. Thank you all very much. And to welcome any of you who are new, who might be coming by for the first or second time. If you'd like to please hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it would really help me out and notify you when I release new content. So today we are going to do something again a little different. We're going to take the Chavez Redencion and we are going to attempt to break it down, check out the bearings, and see if we have bearings to swap it out with. So I'm going to just start on the show side here and see what kind of struggle bus we're going to have. All right, hold on guys, we're going to have a struggle bus. So I'm going to get a bigger screwdriver. That's better. That's a long one. Long one too. All right, we got a captive pivot or non-captive pivot. So we're going to use thank you finger bit. All right, pivot came in that end, Loctite side came in that end. Knife should come apart. All right, guys. Look at all that Loctite goop. Wow, we got to do some serious cleaning, guys. First of all, 1/16. I think they're 1/16 by 3/16. I think we got some of those. So let's do this. Let's clean up our Got that G10 on that one side. Look at that blade. All right, guys. Let's do this. Let's see if these are going to fit. Just perfect. Here you go. If you guys want to look at the difference of the stock bearings, the Riot Chavez are ceramic, but if you'll notice, they're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ball, and they're stamped on that side. Where the skiffs are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 ball. So that should give us better surface area. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab our KPL heavy just to have it, and then we're going to just let's see. Our pivot goes in that side. Wonder why. See what happens if we build it back that way, the way that it came apart. This may turn out to be a struggle bus. Anyway, guys. I have a feeling we're going to run into some issues, but I'm not going to let that stop me. I am going to get this to line up. All right. All right, let's do this. We're going to have to get our finger bolt to tighten down our pivot. Nothing a little struggle bus won't fix. That pivot won't come in from that side, so we're going to have to go this way. Guys, do not put your knives together like this. This is not the way to do it. This is the way if you want to struggle bus. Nobody wants to struggle bus. But what I don't understand is why it snaps together just fine, but these body screws do not That is not worth a shit. Well, guys, welcome to the struggle bus. It would not be fun if there was no struggle bus. What I can't understand is why this would build backwards. It just seems like it would be so much more intuitive. Let's see what we got here, guys. That pivot too tight. Look at that, guys. That was a little struggle bus video for everybody. The Chavez was put together backwards. Not by me, but we've got it perfectly centered. We've got it lubed up. We've got a fresh set of skiffs in there. We're going to take our perfectly good Riot stamp bearings, put them in our case, put up our nano oil, put up our KPL, and guys, that is the Riot made Chavez Redencion Street with a bearing upgrade. Whoops. Still very oily, needs to break in, but I think that is going to be very smooth. Reverse flicks money. Guys, that is all I've got for this afternoon. Another quick disassembly bearing swap. Y'all leave in the comments what knife, whether we do a bearing swap or not, what knife you would like to see broken down and put back together so you can refer to it if you're doing maintenance on your knives. Are there any more crazy knives, button locks, things like that y'all would like to see? All you gotta do is let me know. I will take it apart in the name of science for you. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by and watching the video. If you go to Skiff Workshops and you decide to grab any Skiff bearings for any of your knives, please use Javon 10 when you go to checkout. That's just JUHVON 10. It'll save you 10% on your bearings, on your finger tool, or on your bearing template, whatever you're looking for. But guys, thank you for watching. Please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for that guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.